Every second, over 2 million emails are sent. 60,000 videos are streamed. Hundreds of millions of devices connect, all at once. But pause and ask yourself, where does all of it go? Where does your Netflix movie actually live? Where does your TikTok upload stay before it reaches millions of screens? It doesn't live in your phone. It doesn't live in your country. It lives inside one of the most powerful creations in modern history, the cloud. But not the fluffy one above us, the invisible one that runs the digital world below. Most people use the cloud every day, but almost no one understands it. We treat it like magic. We say, my photos are backed up to the cloud, without knowing where that cloud actually is. But here's the truth. The cloud isn't floating in the sky. It's built on physical machines in massive data centers spread across the planet, including Africa. Rows of servers the size of shipping containers hum day and night, storing data, processing information, and running applications for billions of people. Yet, understanding how this system works isn't just for engineers anymore. It's for anyone who wants to stay relevant. Because the cloud doesn't just power our internet, it powers our economy, our jobs, our innovation, our future. Let's peel back the curtain. Here's what really happens when you use the cloud. At the core are data centers, physical buildings filled with servers. Each server is like a powerful computer that stores data or runs code. Now imagine millions of these connected together. That's the backbone of AWS. Next comes virtualization, the secret ingredient. It allows one physical machine to act like many virtual ones. This means AWS can rent out computing power to thousands of users at the same time, without interference. Then comes scalability. Picture this. Your app suddenly goes viral overnight. 10 users turn into 10,000. In traditional computing, your website crashes. But in the cloud, AWS automatically adds more virtual servers to handle the load, instantly, without you lifting a finger. That's called auto-scaling, and it's the reason startups today can grow like wildfire without breaking their systems or their wallets. The next layer is availability. AWS spreads data across multiple locations. They call them regions and availability zones. So even if one server fails, another one takes over. Your app never goes dark. Finally, security. Every file, every password, every piece of data is encrypted, monitored, and locked down using some of the most advanced protection on the planet. It's not perfect, but it's constantly evolving because cloud security is no longer optional, it's survival. So now that you know how it actually works, the cloud isn't abstract anymore. It's infrastructure. It's the digital engine powering the modern world. From streaming music to medical research, from financial apps to climate prediction, every tap, every click, every byte of data moves through this invisible network. And here's the best part. You don't need to own the machines. You just need to understand how to use them. Because the people who understand how the cloud works are the ones shaping the future economy. So here's your next move. Don't just be a cloud user. Become a cloud builder. Start small. Explore AWS's free tier. Experiment with virtual servers, storage, and simple applications. Get comfortable creating, not consuming. Because while the rest of the world uploads data to the cloud, you'll be uploading innovation. Subscribe to Tech Hub Africa, and let's keep turning curiosity into skill and skill into opportunity. The next revolution isn't in the sky, it's in the cloud.